Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to write only the specified variable of interest in OpenFOAM. Most of us, especially beginners, would have faced this problem that whenever we run a simulation in OpenFOAM, we find that OpenFOAM writes all the variables which is involved for a particular solver. This directly consumes a lot of space, especially in a very big computational domain. So it will consume almost all your memory space of your computer. So in order to avoid that, people usually write only the specific variable of interest. So in this tutorial we will see quickly how to store only the specified variable of interest in OpenFOAM. There are many more ways to do, but I have followed a simple technique which worked out well for me. This seems to be valid for all the versions, like starting from OpenFOAM 4 to OpenFOAM 6. I have checked in these versions, and however you can check it in your version also. So I followed the simple steps. So what we need to do is we need to add write object function subdictionary in the control dict. So I will show you like where you need to add this or write objects. So in the control dict file below this, you need to add this write objects function under the functions. So here in this subdictionary, you need to mention what are the fields which you wanted. For me, in my case, like I need velocity, pressure as well as the water. So I have written only 3 objects. So and I wrote write control as adjustable runtime. You can read about all the things in the OpenFOAM user guide, which is clearly mentioned about all the other things which is over here. So and one more thing which is to be done is, so in this, in the control dict, usually it asks you for the write interval, so you need to fix it a little higher value. So that, for example, if I run my simulation for 2 seconds, so I write it something like 6 seconds. You can write it whichever you want. So accordingly it will write all the variables. So in this case, if I mention it as 6, it will not write all the variables. So it just write only the 3 variables which is of interest for me. So velocity, pressure and the alpha water. So we'll quickly see whether it works or not. So I have created my own test case, so it doesn't matter since it is a tutorial only for showing you how to write only the specified variable of interest. So I am just simply running interFOAM. So here in this control dict, I have asked the solver to write it for every 0.05 seconds. Okay, so we will see like whether for 0.05 seconds, yeah, here you can find it like you have only the pressure, velocity and alpha water field, and rest of the here in uniform you will find the time second. So here also you can find it, right? So everywhere it used to write only for the specified variable of interest. Otherwise it used to write like almost 10 to 12 variables for my solver. So now I have only what I exactly want. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you. So we'll see in the next video soon. Bye.